Today I'm actually starting parked up on the road because there's not a lot of parking space in there. I'm at Caltex Upper Hutt, where they've just recently installed a brand new Laserwash 360plus with LaserGlow. This actually replaced only a 2012 machine. It was a 2012 Laserwash 360, the classic version, and now they've just upgraded it from a 360 to a 360 plus. All that's been replaced. The signage has been replaced too, but the code box is the same. Before the Laserwash 360, it was a Ryko Monarch 2, so this has always been a touch-free site. Now, normally, when I first knew that this was being installed, just look us across the road, I was kind of thinking, it's just another 360 plus. I've already filmed a couple of those, probably don't need to film this one as well. Until I noticed that, firstly, this machine has got swing air on it, which is the feature whereby the dryers actually, the two center dryers actually swing from side to side instead of remaining static. So that's one difference. And it appears that the programming on this one might be a little bit different from the way Mobil have programmed their machines. So I thought we'd give this one a go just to see how this compares to the ones that Mobil operate, because the other 360 plus machines that I have filmed have both been with Mobil. So yeah, I think it'll be cool to go and check this out. So I just need to work out how I'm going to get to the wash bay from here. I think I need to turn around and enter the station, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, here we are in the usual position with you looking at the sticky label on my windscreen. This is a tight curve to get around. Jesus, I'm actually going to have to pull forwards and then back up to reach the code box. Alright, the ticket is in my pocket, so where are we? Here we go. 86144. Is that? Yeah. Shit, put the car in drive. Yep, the green light's at the top to tell me to come in. The voice is on. Yep, there we go, side blast as always. So I need to put my wipers on so I can actually see. Here we go. Switch everything off. Now, this is going to be quite good, I think. The only thing I'm thinking is they've put LaserGlow in this, but they haven't got any wash bay doors here. So it kind of makes me think, what's the point in putting coloured lights in? Because you probably won't necessarily get the full effect of the coloured lights with a wash bay that's open at both ends. Because I actually have a theory that the reason why Mobil stopped installing LaserGlow on their machines is because most of the wash bays Mobil put laser washes in are the glass wash and run bays that have great big windows down the side, so you don't get the full effect of the lights. Really, so, and the fact, and as this is a fair drive away from home and I'm not prepared to come down here at night, we will make do with this. But either way, it's still a nice feature. You can't really see much. I can see there's a bit of blue light, there's a bit of coloured light up there. If I get really close to the windscreen, you can see through the occasional gap there. Not anymore, you can't. There's another coating of soap going on. I hope this is still entertaining for you guys, because I know I film quite a lot of these laser washes, but that's because unfortunately where I live in Wellington there are a lot of them. There are actually some like little CD leaf things on my car. Oh wow, we're actually getting an extra coating on the back, which is nice, which you don't get that at Mobil. So I paid $19 for this, which is $1 more than what Mobil charge. This is shaping up to be pretty good thus far. What's it doing? Oh crikey, we're getting a third helping. I was going to say I could hear it doing something because I can hear the pump still going. And here we come again. You probably can hear quite a lot because I think a lot of the pumps and stuff are just outside there on the other side of the wall. And the walls of this wash bay are quite thin. Oh yes. Oh, no, going straight round the side. You can see a little bit of reflection from the lights. So this machine also should be working flawlessly because this is, I think as I've mentioned before, a brand new machine. Oh, look at the nice rainbow colour on there. As triple foam comes on. Look at that, and it is actual triple foam too, not a substitute product. That's really nice. Yep, rinsed off. So this machine has just been installed within the last couple of weeks. It should be running perfectly. Yeah, nice bit of rinse action there. And oh, we're getting another high pressure, are we? Okay. I think I'm so used to Mobil's 360 pluses that I'm not used to the programming on this. Because I was expecting it to go straight into the another phase, into the foam curtain, into the curtain wax thing, but like into the other thing. But I wasn't expecting another high pressure pass there. Yeah, this I was expecting it to go straight into this, but into the foam curtain. Should be another rinse. Yep, here we go. I think we get a rinse and a dry at the same time on this one. Yes, we do. Now, as far as I'm aware, I believe the dryers go static on the way back, and then the swing air comes on when the dryers are coming back forward. As I arrived at this petrol station, I saw another car going through the machine. That's how I knew it had swing air. See up there. I'm leaning back as far as I can. Oh, the machine's come back now. Oh. Be able to catch quickly. I don't have a sunroof or anything in this car. Oh, there we go. I'm trying all sorts of funky camera angles here. There we go. This is the first laser wash I've seen with swing air. Look at that. Excellent, we're done. We are done. I think there's a 360 plus somewhere in Hamilton at a private car wash centre that's got swing air on it, but this is the first one I've seen to have it. Well, that was excellent. That's definitely different to the way Mobil set up their 360 pluses. We'll just pull in round here by the air pump, so I can just sort my shit out before I get back on the road. But yeah, that was really cool. I'm actually glad I did that. I think, like I said before, I wasn't originally gonna come and visit this car wash because I just thought, oh, it's just another 360 plus. I filmed 360 pluses before, but then when I saw another car go through the machine, I realised, oh, okay, this one is a little bit different. It does have some different programming to the Mobil ones, and it does have some different elements to it. So I thought, yeah, okay, let's give it a go and let's see what it's like. And like I said, I realised it had the swing air as well, so yeah, pretty cool. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you guys next time.